Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing something a bit different. We're going to be doing a 5 subscriber special. So thank you so much for subscribing, and today we're going to be doing a tutorial. So today we're going to be making a knife called the butterfly knife. So it's a pretty cool knife, and it only takes a couple pieces to build, so I'm going to show you how to build it. You will need, in any color, a 12 by 1 piece with holes in it, a 10 by 1 piece with holes in it, another one of them, 3 little kinetic little pieces, need some of them, and last things last, one of these with a 5. So let's get right into it. Okay, so first you'll need to get your little 5 by 1 piece and one of your little things and put it in, so you have something like that. And you'll be doing that on the other side, and where's the other one now? And one in the middle, like that. And then you'll get your 10 by 1 pieces, put it in the top bar, so you get something like this. And you'll do the same, but opposite ways on this side. So you'll have something like that in any color. You can have it in black, and I'm going to be using a blue blade. I'm going to put that in. There you go, you got your butterfly knife. So it'll look something like this when you're done. And that's what they're meant to look like. And you can modify it a little bit. I'm going to be doing a part 2 of this. So I can modify it. So this is what it's going to be like. Whoop. So when you can fold it out, you can see this. So this is what it is. So hope you'll be tuned in for number 2. And I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of these. I'm going to be doing a 10 subscriber special thing. So if you want to see that, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!